job, guys.
Okay, and here we go. There's you. All right. Today we're going to learn about probability. Has anybody heard about probability? Dawson, do you know what probability is?
Problem solving?
Problem solving. That's good. That's good.
I just figured it.
You know, it took me a long time to figure out what probability was. I
I heard my mom.
First off, I'm going to hand out some sheets, or ask you, do you know how to record data? Does anybody know how to record data and what we can use? Maybe an example of what we can use? Yes.
Example, like if Zeke has 4 markers, Malka has 2, we'd add it like on a chart.
Correct.
It'd have our names on it, like from Zeke, Malachi, David, Avery, Carol, James, Sierra, Jordan, Zeke, and Alex. I
Okay.
already said Zeke, but Alex. And me.
Avery, do you know another way?
Stop.
That we might be recording data?
Okay, your turn. 2 more.
Like if Mr. Jackson had 30 pencils and Mrs. Burns had 20 and she had 22, you'd chart it up and add it up. And
There you go. Well, here, I'm going to pass out to you examples of different
The
kinds.
Coyotes, Baz, and
Do all these today. This is,
Friday 1. And bye.
okay, the first one we're going to go over is tally marks. Everybody should know how to use tally marks by now, right?
I do.
Right? You know how to use tally marks, David? Where you add up the many different items. Yep, okay. So the next one is a pictograph. Have you seen those before?
Yes.
Where, like, if you have 3 erasers up here and you have 2 pencils.
What about
and it asks
pennies?
You, like the pennies, too. Exactly, does. The next one is a bar graph. Bar graphs, you record your data in an up and down bar, like so. And the next one is a Venn diagram. Venn diagrams usually have like circles like this, and they so the certain one.
It's likely.
Right on. Awesome.
no, it was certain.
Alright. So our next,
Can I pull out one to see if I'll pull out a red?
we have to go on because we don't have much time left.
It's only
Okay,
11:45.
in your bags, you have different amounts of squares. Each of you have different amounts.
Can we dump them out?
Oh, thank you. Did you give me that other square back? Okay, thank you. All right, you can take the squares out, and I want you to use your tally mark to put tally marks in the first row. Which ones are red? Which ones are, how many are blue? How many are green? How many are yellow?
Yeah,
So just in the first row. Go. Alright. Okay, now does everybody have their tallies? Tallies. Remember what a tally is? Tally. Put the amount of things.
Tell me when you're
So I'm going to do mine real quick while you're figuring out your tally.
Oh, wow.